Wow, check out this spectacular renovation in Corey's Landing. It is just as beautiful as anything I've seen. These shell tones and gorgeous oak floors set the tone for this spectacular bayfront home. When you're looking out to the bay, you're looking through brand new windows, which everybody loves to have impact glass windows. But the most exciting part has to be this bay view. Direct bay view, and you have your own boat dock and boat lift, both of which are going to be brand new. Did I mention that there's a hot tub on the deck? The kitchen, I mean, talk about a cook's kitchen with cabinets that just go up halfway to the ceiling. Of course, they're all new appliances. I don't know if you ever saw this house before, but there was a bathroom right in the middle of this entire space. Taken out and opened up, it just really changes the entire open feeling of the home. I'm Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist, and we would love to show you this new home in Corey's Landing. Give us a call at 941-387-1840 or check it out at pettingellprofessionals.com.